Hey y'all, there's not much I can do about the light. I'm fixing to walk into the woods. It's like 5:30. It's the first time I've been hunting since I had to blood trail that small buck a couple of weeks ago. Anyway, got up like at 4:45 because I had to air the tire from my truck, smoke myself out, get dressed. Because I'm out on the spot where it's a 2-mile walk, I've got a lot of my upper body clothes in my backpack that I'll put on once I get out there. Got up, made a quick trade, pre-market, got in, got out, because I have to wait till first light before I can actually do any trading. But anyway, it's hopefully it's a hot day on the market and in the woods. So we shall see. It's been I think 2 weeks since we've been out here, and we'll see how she goes. I'll check back with y'all first light. Alright y'all, it's about 7 o'clock. I hadn't seen anything at all. I have heard some coyotes off in the distance. It's got me contemplating playing that coyote. That rabbit distress call for coyotes, but I did just hear a deer grunt. So I grunted back at him and gave him some doe bleats. Let's see if that gets him in. Hopefully so. Anyway, let's see if we get something kicked off here. Y'all, I just had like 4 or 5 coyotes come through. I smoked one. I got it recorded on the GoPro, I think. But I had to play the rabbit in distress call thing. I seen one, and then I seen another one, and I was like, oh my gosh, they're just all coming through here. So I'm fixing to keep on playing this distress call and see if I can't pull some more in here. Oh well, so much for deer hunting this morning. But if I can thin out this coyote population, that'd be great. Yeah, I tried doing that distress call for a little bit longer since my deer hunting right here is shot, literally. Anyway, I'm walking over here to this coyote, show y'all him or her. And I've got another spot I can go to back here, because I'm not going to stop deer hunting on one of my days off. Anyway, I smoked him, her, down here in this creek bed. The deer travel this thing all the time. We're able to see down in it for the most part. Yep. That's it right there. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna get out of here. I'll get to this other spot. I'll hit you back once I'm set up. Alright. So I moved spots. So I'll show you here. Sorry about the light. I got the sun in my east and I'm facing north. I've got a scrape. It looks like it hadn't been hit in a few days because we had rain 2 nights ago, I think. Anyway, it's probably where I should have sat anyway. But and then, so let me show you. I know you can't see it, but literally like right over there, there's that scrape. that looks like it's been hit quite a bit, and there's a trail right out there, so I don't really have any shooting lanes. I'm just gonna have to take a real careful shot. I've got this thick stuff over here, and then across the trail it's really, really thick. To my right, it's a really low area. We've hunted it before. I killed a bobcat that was the bobcat was actually sneaking up on me in my ghillie gown, and you know, I was just sitting there minding my business, trading, and I think he saw my fingers, because I looked up out of the corner of my eye and I saw the movement, and he was stalking me, and it was like gun or knife at that point, because he was so close. But let me get down and do some hunting and trading. All right. Hey everybody. All right. So I ended up leaving that other hole. I set up a camera on that thingamajig, on that scrape. Sorry, brain fart. Anyway, so I'll come out here to my other spot. It's been, over the years, it's been pretty good to us in the afternoon time. My wife was out here yesterday, but bless her heart, she had to leave at 2. I'm here now at 2. Anyway, I wanted y'all to know that from the bottom of my heart that we hadn't posted many videos this year, and I wanted to apologize. But it's not our fault. It's everybody else's. So please forgive them. It totally has nothing to do with us. Anyway, what I really wanted to tell y'all was, yesterday I almost got caught up in the TikTok world, and it dawned on me that I was watching other people's videos that they put work into, but yet I've got my own YouTube page. So I started editing, and before I knew it, I had edited 4 videos. So shame on me, I guess. So from now on, less TikTok and more editing. If you're gonna put your all into it, put your all into it. Anyway, let me see if I can kill me a deer. If it's brown, it's down today. I'm just saying. Doctor said my cholesterol is higher, whatever. What do they know? So, less red meat, more deer meat. I'll talk to y'all later.